Hey guys, it's Ted. It's your buddy from the Defenders. Here comes the opportunity of me to pull a 3,000 PP card out of this pack in about 1 minute. Anyway, it cost me about 4,500 power packs to get here. If I pull this Spider-Man, I'll make about 3,000 power packs. About 3,000. I invested for about 4,500. Actually, probably about 4,000, considering all the stuff I got. I got so much freaking stuff, man. But if I pull this, it's gonna be a big profit. I'm waiting for the others. 9 o'clock. Here we go. Pray for me. Please, God, give me the Spider-Man. I really want it so bad. Please. All right, here we go. 9 o'clock. Please give it to me. All right. Pick up rewards. Present list. There it is. Can I sell this thing? I hope I can sell it. I have to open it because I can't sell it. Okay. Oh my God. Heart attack. There you go. Oh my God. Please give it to me. Give me the fucking Spider-Man, please. Oh my God. This is the craziest pack ever. Ready? Oh my God. There it is. I got it. Yeah! Woo! 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 Oh, I got it. I got it. Oh my God. Rock on, Defenders. Rock on, Defenders.